In this topic, we're going to learn go to special features in Excel. Though it's very small topic, but it's very powerful. Suppose in this small database, I only want to select the numbers. So I can see that the numbers is listed column C, right? So I can easily select since it's very small database. In case if you have a large set of data, for example, this data set is still row number 9, right? Suppose your data has more than row number 10,000. That case, if you want to select the cell which contain only numbers, that's very difficult, right? Because data is huge. Such cases, this go to special tool will help us a lot. Let's see how it works. For example, in this case, I just want to select only the number cells, right? So first select the respective data. After that, go to home and go to this editing category, and you can see find and select option, right? Just click on it. Under that, you can see that go to special features option. Just click on it. As soon as you click on it, there's a small dialog box will appear. Under that, there's an n number of options. Now I'm going to take you through with few things with detailed examples. Rest of the things I'll be covering when I take the advanced level topics. Okay. So in this lesson, the scenario was I just want to select the cell which contain only numbers. In that case, just select this constant. After that, you can see the 4 option which is by default tick, right? So just untick text logic errors. Here only we want to consider numbers, right? Not text logic errors and all. So I'm not going to untick this numbers, let it be here. After that, and just click on OK. See, only the numbers contained cell has been highlighted here. Now you must be having one doubt. Why it's not selecting column number A since it's contain numbers? This is not numbers, this is actually text. Because in Excel, in any cells contain alphanumerical numbers, such value call it as text. So this is not number. In case if I am typing 10 here and here is 12 and here is 2. So I'm going to select this and go to home, click on find and select option, go to special and constant, and I just want to identify the numbers. See, only the numbers has been highlighted, right? Straight away you can fill up with few colors. For example, I just want to highlight all those numbers with yellow color. So just click on it. See, the numbers has been highlighted with yellow color, right? I'm just putting Ctrl Z. And the next one, similar way, I just want to identify the cell with empty. For example, I'm just deleting this Rajesh and Joseph. Here also I'm just deleting it, and here also I'm deleting it. In this data set, I just want to identify the cell which is empty or blank. So such cases, I'm going to select this and go to home ribbon and select the same option, find, select, go to special, and here you can see the blank option. Just click on it. See, as soon as I click on OK, the cell has been highlighted with blanks, right? See, I'm just going to fill up the different colors. For example, I just drop down here and putting that orange one. See, right? I'm just putting Ctrl Z. And in case Excel also throws some errors, for example, equal to this one into this one. Okay, I'm just going to drag it down here. And here also I'm putting some error. See this reference. There are around 10 to 15 different types of errors will appear due to various reasons. Error related topics I'll be covering up when I take the advanced level section. So in this case, I just want to identify the cells which contain only the errors. Such cases, I'm going to select complete set of data here. Go to home again, find and select, go to special and go to formula. And after that, I'm just unticking this, tick on against errors and click on OK. See, only the cell which contain errors is highlighted. I just want to highlight with different colors. See, clear? And similar way, I just want to highlight only the text. Such cases, I'm going to select this completely, go to home, find and select, go to special and go to constant. After that, you can see that text option, right? So I'm just unticking others and click on OK. See, only the text part is highlighted, right? So hope you clear this topic. Let's move to the next session.